Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to our Wednesday writing lesson. We are going to jump right into our story hand story. Are you ready? Who you were with, where you were, what you did, and how you felt. One more time with me. Who you were with, where you were, what you did, and how you felt. So, this week we have been working on a story about a time that you were playing. And our writing goals this week were: I can start my sentence with a capital letter, I can end my sentence with a punctuation mark, and I can add spaces between my words so that my readers can read my words and it doesn't look like a bunch of gibberish. All right, so Mrs. G's story was, I was with Jax and Harvey. We were at my house. We were playing fetch with a green tennis ball. And our last part that we're going to do today is how we felt. And that is going to go down here. So, I'm going to think about my sentence and what I want to write, and then I'm going to write it. So think it, say it, write it. So I'm going to think about it. I'm going to say it. We were so happy to play outside. All right, so we were happy because we were outside. We were outside. All right, and then what do I put at the end of my sentence? A period. And then you're going to do a nice, so this week what we're starting is we are going to start writing why we felt the way we felt. So, we were happy because we were outside. So if you were happy when you were playing, why were you happy? Was it because you were with your friends, or because you were outside too, or because you were with your family, or because it was nice out? So go ahead and tell me why you felt the way you felt when you were playing, okay? And this is page 4. All right, boys and girls, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed writing about a time we were playing. And don't forget to read your story on Flipgrid so that your friends can listen to your stories and Mrs. G can, and turn it in through Google Classroom. All right, boys and girls, have a good day.